Welcome to Malaysia, a land where ancient rainforests meet a futuristic urban pulse. Today we begin our journey in the heart of the nation, Kuala Lumpur. Founded in 1857, this former tin mining outpost has transformed into a global financial hub and a melting pot of cultures. Rising 452 meters into the sky, the Petronas Twin Towers were once the tallest in the world, inspired by Islamic geometric patterns. Nearby, the new Merdeka 118 towers even higher, a crystalline symbol of Malaysia's diverse cultures reaching for the future. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. Just north of the city lies Batu Caves, a sacred limestone hill guarded by a towering 42-meter gold statue. Climbing these iconic rainbow steps is a spiritual rite of passage for many, offering a panoramic view of the city. Inside, the massive caverns house intricate Hindu shrines, echoing with centuries of devotion and natural wonder. Returning to the city's historic core, we find the Sultan Abdul Samad Building, a 19th-century masterpiece of Moorish revival style. This is Merdeka Square, the birthplace of Malaysian independence, where history is preserved amidst the modern skyline. As the sun begins to set, the air fills with the irresistible aromas of Kuala Lumpur's legendary street food. You can't visit without trying nasi lemak, the national dish, fragrant coconut rice served with spicy sambal and crispy anchovies. And then there's the satay, perfectly marinated meat skewers grilled over charcoal and served with a rich peanut sauce. Kuala Lumpur is a true mosaic of Malay, Chinese, and Indian influences, all living in harmony. For a taste of traditional crafts, Central Market offers everything from batik prints to intricate wood carvings. As night falls, the KL Tower provides a bird's-eye view of a city that never seems to sleep. But the city is just the beginning. In Part 2, we leave the urban sprawl behind for the ancient rainforests and rolling tea hills. Thank you for joining us for Part 1 of our Malaysian adventure. We'll see you in the next chapter of this incredible journey. If you like this content, please help us by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell so you can be notified when we upload additional content. I'm Eric Carey, and we're on a mission to reach a huge milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Hitting 1,000 subscribers represents our continued commitment to improve the channel and provide the best for you. Help us reach our goal by hitting the subscribe button and notification bell. Your subscription also helps us know what type of content you want to see more of. It's a shared journey. The goal is in sight, and with your help, we can reach it together. Join our growing community today. I'm committed to bringing you more value and better quality as we grow this channel to new heights. Thank you for being part of this. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell for more updates.